Hi friends, hope y'all are doing well. I wanted to share a new video today all about styling longer skirts for the summertime. Different ways that you can elevate and make very elegant outfits out of both midi and then also maxi skirts. And if you're petite like me, I'm going to share some tips and tricks that I have learned when you're trying to choose a midi skirt or a maxi skirt that might just help you not feel like you're drowning in fabric, as sometimes that happens with us petite women. So today's video is all about how to style in different outfits for longer skirts for the summer. So both midi and maxi skirts are one of those trends that has actually stuck around much longer than I thought that it was going to. It's coming back every single year with different iterations. This year it's all about the denim, very heavy fabrics, and then also the crochets in different fun colors and things like that. But for the summertime, I think that it's just such a lovely statement piece that you can add into your wardrobe to elevate an outfit or to just go for that very kind of coastal beach resort vibe. Or if you're looking to go on vacation, then honestly some of these are going to be just the perfect kind of versatile piece for you to add into your wardrobe if you don't have one already. So let's get started with the very first styling tip. So if you're new to the whole idea of a midi skirt or even a maxi skirt, I wanted to start super basic and very simple and say styling tip number one is just go for a monochromatic look. Now, a monochromatic look might seem a little bit boring, but actually in person, if you choose the right pieces, you choose the right fabrics that go together, it can be a timeless, elegant outfit option for you, no matter what you're doing. If you're going on a date night, if you're on vacation at a resort, at a beach, etc. So I wanted to showcase one skirt in particular that I have had in my wardrobe for a couple months now. I've talked about this one a lot. It is from Banana Republic Factory. It is their Poplin A-line midi skirt. And this skirt is just so much more versatile than I could have ever imagined when I first bought it. I bought it in a petite sizing, which is very helpful. It is a fuller skirt, it is an A-line skirt, and so this particular skirt looks absolutely incredible when you pair it correctly. So I absolutely love to do just a monochromatic look. My skirt in this version is black, but they also, I believe, have like a tan / kind of ivory neutral color. And it is such an easy way to kind of throw together an outfit with very minimal planning that you know is always going to look good. So definitely if you have a skirt like this or you're looking for an outfit like this, go monochromatic, go easy on yourself. Find a black top that matches your body proportions, whether it's slightly cropped or tighter, or you tuck something in with ruffles, or it's a tank or even a long sleeved, or you have a sweater to go over it. Go with one color. If you want to add some pops of color, add some in your accessories, add some maybe in your shoes or your jewelry or even a statement bag. But ultimately, if you are working with a midi skirt that you're just not sure how to style right away, go monochromatic. You will never look back. It will be effortless, timeless, elegant, look good in photos for years to come. You will never regret it. When you're styling longer skirts, style tip number two, I would say, is go with unexpected texture. So this particular skirt is a crocheted style, more of a maxi skirt on me in particular because I am only 5'1". So this particular skirt is just such a showstopper. It is a statement piece. It is easy to throw on. It definitely has that elevated beach resort vibe. And I feel like sometimes, especially as a petite person, when you're just not working with quite as much body as someone who might be slightly taller, it's very easy to get very overwhelmed if in your body type, in your body kind of structure, if you're wearing something like a dress or an entire outfit that is unexpected in texture or color, etc. And I would say that this skirt is very unexpected in both texture and color. This green is such a vibrant vibe right now. It is seen everywhere. I see this kind of yellowed green color everywhere. And if I were to wear this in a dress, I would look horrendous, honestly. Like, it would not look good. But paired in a midi skirt, because it's away from my face, it's down on the lower half of my body, I think it is just such a fun way to add in that very unexpected texture and pattern for the summertime. Now this particular skirt is amazing because it has that like kind of built-in slip that hits about mid-thigh. So it's really, really great to kind of add into your wardrobe, especially if you're looking for vacation vibes, if you're looking for kind of a resort wear piece, if you're looking for a statement piece, this is it. So I wanted to kind of elevate this a little bit. I paired it with a pair of wedges that are fun and comfortable, very easy to walk in. And then just actually the top that I'm wearing, so this kind of linen cotton blend, slightly cropped, open backed tank that is, again, such an easy thing to throw on. Add layers of jewelry if you're looking for something to kind of elevate it a little bit more. Have a crocheted bag with you to kind of tie in the two patterns, and you are ready for the summertime without looking over the top, without looking overwhelmed, especially on a petite body. Tip number 3, when you're looking to add a midi skirt outfit into your arsenal for the summertime, especially if you want a much more elevated look than, say, maybe like a crochet or more of a beachy version, I would say definitely go with fabrics that are similar on both the top and the bottom. So midi skirts, you can find them in silk or silk blends everywhere right now, which is absolutely incredible. I love the flow and the ease and the effortlessness of a silk midi skirt. I think that it looks phenomenal on any body type. I would say definitely make sure that whatever one you choose is high-waisted, especially if you're petite, just to help elongate your frame a little bit. But go with similar textures on the top and the bottom. Just like we talked about with monochromatic, being very, very simple, very, very easy and effortless and elegant. Again, if you pair a silk or a silk blend midi skirt with a similar top like this Reformation one that I'm wearing currently, it just elevates an outfit so much. Pair it with gold jewelry, black accessories, whatever kind of your style is, whatever you're going for, but absolutely pairing those two fabrics together is just, it could make it look like a dress, especially if it were like a coordinating fabric or even a matching fabric. You could absolutely go for like that dress look. But if you wanted to kind of make more of a statement with just your midi skirt, choose a skirt that again hits about mid-calf, and then choose a top that is flattering on your skin tone and your body type in the same style of fabric, and you will not look back. Style tip number 4 for me is using a midi skirt that can be multiple use case scenarios, especially if you're going on vacation. So what I mean by that is I sometimes find midi skirts, especially in different fabric types, whether it's more stretchy or a bit more like a sweatshirt material, they can be as comfortable, if not even more comfortable than, say, your kind of loungewear, because there's just not the extra fabric of shorts or sweatpants or something like that. It is really just the waistband, and that is really the only thing that touches your skin. So pairing a midi skirt in a very soft kind of loungewear style fabric is such a fun tip for the summertime. You could absolutely pair this with just a t-shirt and a pair of slides, or you could kind of do a cropped top and then like an overshirt that might protect you from the sun a little bit more if you wanted to elevate it a little bit. But again, just such a comfortable vibe. And again, this color of this particular skirt is wonderful in the summertime. I see this kind of electric lavender popping up everywhere. I think Madewell's entire spring summer collection was basically just this lavender color. And this particular skirt is from Amazon, and it has just the comfiest material composition. I put it on and I honestly didn't want to come back to my jeans because it was so comfortable. I will say it runs a little bit big, so maybe look to size down, but it is, again, one of those great Amazon finds that you could throw on over a swimming suit, you could put on for a day out at the beach, you could put on for a date night. If you're looking to pack minimally for a summer vacation or just have fewer items in your wardrobe all summer long, this is definitely a skirt that will save you many, many times. And then style tip number 5 is something that I alluded to a couple tips earlier, but that is if you are drawn to a particular color tone or pattern or vibrancy that just doesn't look good on your skin tone, but you still want to incorporate into an outfit, try it in a midi skirt. or try it in a maxi skirt, a longer skirt. This is just such a fun way to add color into your wardrobe if you're someone like me who primarily wears neutrals, just because that works best on my skin tone and that's what I'm comfortable with wearing. Then a midi skirt or a maxi skirt in a fun, say, chevron print, like the one that I'm currently wearing, is such an easy way to add that pop of color without it disrupting your face, your glow, your natural beauty. So this particular midi skirt in particular is another Amazon find from the Drop collection that is so fun for the summer. It incorporates so many different elements together, from the chevron to the crochet to the bright colors, very 70s vibes. Again, this is never something I would be able to wear in like a dress or even a top, but because it's on my bottom half, then I am able to pair it with a bit more neutral, a bit more laid back, a bit more casual on the top, and then still adding that fun print to the bottom. So it is such a easy and fun way to kind of, like I said, add a bit of color into your wardrobe for the summertime without going over the top or really disrupting what the rest of your wardrobe might look like as far as neutrals and things like that. And those are my tips for styling and putting together outfits that are beautiful for the summertime, especially for petite women. I also wanted to mention just kind of the MVP of this whole video, the unsung hero, and that is these skirt clips. I have been searching near, far, high, and low for skirt clips that don't crease the waistband of my skirts, but then that are also very versatile. I don't love buying lots and lots of different hangers. So these are actually just, you can take them on and off any type of hanger and then put them on again, and then obviously put your skirt on any sort of hanger so you're not having to fold up your skirts or something like that. I found these on Amazon. They're really beautiful, very elegant, very minimal, but work really, really well. So if you are looking to add more skirts into your wardrobe but just don't know how to hang them or properly care for them, these are a great investment. And as always, I will leave everything linked down below in the description box, from the skirt hangers to the actual skirts, and then the different outfits as well. I'll also leave my blog, my Pinterest, and my Instagram down in the description box if you want to follow me on any of those channels. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.